Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Apple Music and confirming you're signed in. That gives you access to the DJ feature and your library. Next, go to Listen Now or Library and find the DJ or station control. This is where live remixing begins. Grant microphone and music library permissions when asked, because Apple Music uses both for transitions and song selection. Once done, select a playlist or station to see the DJ engine, so it can analyze tempo and mood. Now you fine-tune how the DJ mixes. Select a seed playlist, genre, or a few songs. That tells the algorithm what to prioritize. Then adjust crossfade length and tempo smoothing so transitions feel natural. Higher smoothing reduces abrupt BPM shifts. Pick energy or mood sliders to bias toward chill or upbeat tracks. Make sure explicit content filters and smart shuffle rules match the audience. These settings shape both song choice. Press play to run the live DJ set and listen for waveform or beat markers that signal transitions. You can make quick changes while it runs. Use thumbs up or down on tracks to teach the system your taste, and add or remove seed songs to steer the next mixes. If you encounter skips, stuttering, or no transitions, restart the app, confirm microphone and library permissions, and reduce crossfade length. That usually resolves timing or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.